everyone, today I'm here with another interesting science experiment. It is really simple to do. Let's begin. For this you will require food coloring, ink filler, baking soda and vinegar. First you will put 2 spoons of baking soda. 1 and we have a number 2 there. And now let's put a bit drops of food coloring. 1, 2 and 3. Give it a mix. Now let us put vinegar. Wow! Awesome, right? Looks like a watermelon juice, right? Are you all curious to know the reason? The reaction between baking soda and vinegar generates carbon dioxide gas, which results in volcanoes. Hope you all enjoyed this. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe. Much love, Anu and Tanu. Bye-bye.